Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog. We're doing a preview of the new smartphone from Oppo Philippines. So this is the Oppo A3 smartphone. Ang feature nito ay this is a military grade featured smartphone and also water splash proof resistance. So sa ating test kanina, nag-billiards kami at binigyan namin siya ng maraming punishment in different kinds of paano ba namin babasagin tong phone na to but still matibay siya at actually yung bola yung nabarag. For the water splash proof resistance naman, naglaro kami ng beer pong na meron tubig at ilang beses siya nasa splash at nagulat ako, yung screen niya can be operated kahit basa yung kamay mo, kahit umuulan daw, it's still operating kahit nabasa siya, nabisi ka ng tubig, basa yung kamay mo. You can still operate the phone and there's no problem. So tinest namin to kanina. It's very impressive tong Oppo A3 ni Oppo Philippines. After a lot of punishment, okay pa rin tong Oppo A3. So this is just a preview of the Oppo A3. So abangan nyo ang features ito. Launching ito sa September na. So abangan niyo yung mga announcement na ipopost namin sa social media and also on our channel. So thank you so much Oppo Philippines for this Oppo A3. Gagawa pa tayo ng series of tests sa phone na ito para ma-check natin kung gaano siya katibay. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Oppo A3 from Oppo Philippines.